Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss the sentence and part of speech. So let's start our video. Sentence. A sentence is defined as any number of words having a full meaning or a group of words which make complete sense. That is called sentence. For example, honesty is the best policy. Parts of speech. Parts of speech are given below. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. These are called parts of speech. Noun. A noun is a word that is used for person, place, animal, and things. For example, book, Ahmad, Lahore, fever, chair, etc. These are examples of noun. Pronoun. A pronoun is used in place of noun. Some of the most common pronouns are given below. I, he, she, it, him, her, we, they, are, us, them. These are pronouns. Next, adjective. A word that qualifies a noun or pronoun. They are joined to nouns to describe them. Some examples are a lazy boy, a tall man, an intelligent girl, etc. These are examples of adjective. Article. An article generalizes a noun. Articles are considered adjectives. There are 3 articles in English: a and the. Types of articles. There are 2 types of article given below. The first one is indefinite article. The second one is definite article. First we discuss indefinite article. So indefinite article is defined as a and an is called indefinite articles. A is used before consonants. For example, a pen, a table, a boy, etc. An is used before vowels. For example, an apple, an elephant, etc. The second type of article is definite article. This is defined as the is called definite article. For example, the table, the river, the book, etc. Verb. A verb is defined as a verb is a word that shows or indicates some action. A verb is a word that shows or indicates some action is called a verb. For example, he writes a letter, a children drinks milk. These are the example of a verb. Adverb. Adverb are describing words that are added to words. An adverb modifies any part of speech except a noun or a pronoun. For example, this flower is very beautiful. This is an example of adverb. Next one is preposition. A preposition is defined as a word used before noun or pronoun is known as preposition. For example, look after, call in, look into, etc. These are examples of preposition. Next one is conjunction. Are joining words. They join words or sentences. For example, he is poor but honest. Next one is interjection. It is defined as An interjection expresses some sudden feelings of the mind. For example, hurrah, oh, that are examples of interjection. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share our video. For more videos, visit our YouTube channel.